Good morning, my friends. This is day 182 walking from the UK to Kenya, and during this episode we are going to be making our ways towards Bush, where there is something very cool and interesting that is going to happen. Now I'm a tease, so I'm not going to tell you right now, but as you'll know, I'm currently in the Blue Villa Hotel in Dhërmi. I'm going to go downstairs, get some food. I've spent my morning pretty much editing the last video and posting that, making sure that's done. So let me get some breakfast and then we'll get on the road. We're not going to waste too much time today. And this is my last meal before I leave. This is fasul dhemish, which is beans and meat. This is pilaf. This is dale. I've had an amazing time here. These guys are so freaking good. And look at the views. Yeah, if you're coming here, like you're slap in the middle of the mountains and the blue sea. Can you see those colors? You can see those colors. Now I'm gonna eat and then we're gonna go on the go. I've eaten, now it's time I pack my things. I go say goodbye to these guys. And I've been invited to come back after Samir on the way on my way to Tirana to record more videos because homie is happy with them, which is awesome. He wants to do some things here while I'm gone. That's cool. And yo, I think I will just stop by on the way back out of Albania. I'll stop by, I'll do some more things here. I can rest here for a couple days before the transit to Turkey. So we're in a really good spot right now. Alright guys, so I've now left Blue Villa. You can see it there. I'm walking on the road here. It looks beautiful. I've got 19 kilometers to get to Himarë. It's around 2 p.m. right now. It was a late start to the day. I had so much admin I was doing. But the good news is it's done. So many things are done and they're playing in the background now, which is cool. I'm looking forward to seeing how those things develop. Let's touch here, give you some colors. Nice. So, yeah, I'm gonna get out of this place. I'm gonna enjoy staring at the mountains ahead of me. Here, take one look. And hopefully we can make it to Himarë. You know, I'm predicted to get there between 6:30 and 7. 7-ish is when the sun goes down. So I really gotta make sure I'm pushing today. And the day is starting with an uphill climb. So up there is the actual Dhërmi. I can't remember the name of the place I was raised. It's like outskirts of Dhërmi. And I'm gonna just climb up there. I might fly drone when I get up there, I don't know. Wait, friends? Wait for me guys, I'm coming. This is one of the tough times you get as an Albanian, because you've got so much natural beauty, but you also need infrastructure. So finding that balance, I think they're still working on it. I think the engineers are still trying. I don't think they've got it yet, I'll be honest with you. I'll tell you how all the amazing things about Albania. I have to tell you what I see. But they'll get there in the end. I believe in them. They'll get there. Guys, it's time. We're entering into Shtati Dhërmi, which maybe that behind us was it. But this is Dhërmi village. Guys, we've made it. These two look cool as hell with their helmets and motorbike. And look at this. The city just opened up to us. I've found where I'm flying drone from. This spot right here is crazy. Let's get it up in the air. So you can see behind me right there, there's some Greek letters, so that influence is starting to creep in. I'm quite happy that I had a hefty breakfast right now, even though it did make me a bit sluggish to start, but I don't have to look for food at all today. Yeah, legumes, meat, and rice. Oh, golly. It's insane. Wow. Oh, damn. From here you can see everything, because that's where I came down a couple of days ago. Somewhere right there is where I stayed. That's where my boy is right now, Eklen. And look at this, we zoom out, and we look over here, that's Italy. Guys, that's Italy right there. If the stereotypes weren't true and I was a better swimmer, I'd be on my way, but they are true. So I'm a walker. This is the current locale. What's that? What is that? Does anyone know? I'll call it ruins. Yeah. It's kind of nice out here, guys. But I think now, you know, it's gonna look the same for a little while, just different variations of it. So let me lock in on the walking, and then I'll catch you guys a little bit later. Yeah, this place is such a hiker's place. The amount of mountains I'm seeing is such an insane feat. Oh look, they got a little church up there, I think. Okay, so I'm currently walking through this place now, and I'm not too far from the next town. It's called Vuno. I think left, right, up, probably up. Everything's up right now. But if there's a view from there, I'm gonna go there. And this place is absurdly stunning. So much nature, and they've done little nice things like this here. They've done little nice things to make the nature even more beautiful. What is this place? Let's do some little exploring here. I see ruins. Maybe I should look on my maps. I wonder what they do here, if they do anything. Wow, you can see everything. Oh, that's Vuno, isn't it? I think this will be the next place I go to. Vuno. Is this someone's house? I don't even know. Oh, whoa. What a stunning view. Crazy. See this, guys? It comes from the mountains. I've been told this is the freshest water you can drink. Alright, behind me there's a little ego standoff with driving, but guys, we've reached Vuno. And again, incredible. That flying session was short-lived. Why? I got wind warnings, and you know what? I think that's a good thing, because I can just keep moving. Hole in the floor or toilet? My guess is toilet. Yeah. This looks like a nice road to have, and there's a pavement for now, but I'm quite confident. Let's zoom in right there. Pavement ends. Okay, cool, no problem. We're on our way to Himarë now. I didn't spend too long in Vuno. The wind is gone. The sun is back. It's a beautiful day to be alive. Guys, I just realized I have to really cherish these mountains, because for all I know, this could be my last inland stretch in all of Albania. And oh man, it's actually going to be difficult for me to leave this country, because I've fallen in love with this country. Like Teduashi Peri. So hey, but let's just enjoy the last inland stretch. We got mountains and it's lovely. I'm probably at altitude at least 1,000, maybe 500, I don't know, but I'm up there. Hey, we're heading downhill. You'll love to see it. I gotta tell you guys, Albania is the only country where I've seen this so much. I mean, it's kind of sad because it tends to mean something happened, but hey, the Albanian drivers need to chill out, man. That's all I can say, bro. They need to chill. This is actually reminding me a lot of Montenegro. I remember walking on these tight roads with the railings and the sea, and in about, I don't know, let's call that 3 minutes away, I'll be walking and looking at the sea. I feel like such a silly sausage. A car literally just came past me and asked, do you want to ride? I said no, then this guy started approaching me. Now, the fact that he's doing woof woof is he's being territorial. I don't want to walk past that. If he wasn't doing woof woof, I would go, but he's being territorial. So now I'm going to wait for the next person. I'm going to see if they can get me past. And I hope there's a next person coming soon, because I don't know how long I'll be here for. But I'm not going past this territorial guy. Yeah? Ah! Damn, it's strong. It's out here. Hey, I'm struggling. Oh, wow. What the heck? It actually moved my body. That's crazy. That's crazy. But okay, I actually don't know what to do now. I'm being a wussy, but you know what? I don't mind it, because yo, shumchen, bro, shumchen. Yeah? And I'm not really trying to mess with that, to be honest. Not a sheepdog, that was a big dog, you know. I was thinking about Montenegro before. This honestly reminded me of the Kango Chronicles, but it's not so bad. But can somebody help me, please? Because I'm not going back. Back is a long way. Guys, I saw the shepherd walking here somewhere. I think he went into there. Where's the dog? I need to identify my threat. Where's the dog? I saw him, he went down there, he was playing la la la. But dog is fast, so you have to be smart. Let me go to the office, bro. We're just gonna film it, bro. Because the shepherd is around. So I don't think the dog will cause too much problems. He's not gonna run and attack me. But yeah, let's see. Let's see. We made it. We made it. I'm so happy we made it. Yeah. Whenever you see sheep, just be mindful. I knew I was wise. Because that wasn't offensive behavior to the dog. That was defensive behavior. And when you see defensive behavior, it pretty much means chill the hell out and wait for the shepherd. Don't think you're brave. Because that dog is there. His name is Wolf Killer. Don't think you're brave. He's not going to go out of his way to attack you. He's tranquilo. That's why I could just sit where I was. He wasn't going to come. But don't think you're brave now, because that's where you'll have problems. You have to wait for the shepherd. Once you see him, you can go do your thing. We are now in Himarë. Alright, so I haven't put too much thought into where I'm sleeping tonight. But I figure if I head down to the beach, I'll be able to find something nearby. So that's the plan. Either way, I'm about 40 minutes from Himarë. So when I get there, that's when I can really start doing the logistics and figuring it out. But there is a lot of random greenery, such as this. So hopefully there'll be some in Himarë, because we're in Himarë, but we're not in Himarë, if you know what I mean. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Now I raise the sun. I must get to the bottom before the sun gets to the bottom. And I must find the place for the sleeping. So the fingers are crossed, the legs are doing left to right, and we will be there shortly. Alright guys, so I've seen there's a hostel here, it's not far, it's like 14 euros. My worry is if I go into that hostel and no one's there, I'm gonna be sad. I want friends, I wanna go and do some friend stuff, walk around, maybe go to the beach, whatever. I like when I have friends. So I don't know if I should go to the hostel, if I should risk just wandering the streets and see, maybe I can just find some friends and then I can go wherever they go and we can just have fun like that. And look, there's a big boat. Nice. The walking day, oh man. Okay, you know what, who cares? I'm a big boy, let's do this. That's an interesting place for a bunker. I just got to this hostel and this is how you get into some of the beds. This one is probably the coolest one. So I'm quite sad because my choices are all like normal things. But I wanted to do climbing. This is today's hostel. This is the Himarë hostel. There's a dog here. This one barks and he's a bit disruptive. This one's name is Chocolate for obvious reasons. There's a bunch of things here. It seems like a pretty cool place, to be honest. Like, look, they've got kayaks there which you can take out. A bunch of bikes which you can take out. And we have 2 new people who have just walked through the door. I've not been into that lounge area yet. But it's all pretty cool. They've got lockers. Do you have to bring your own lock? It seems like you may just have to. As you can see, the sun has pretty much gone down. I flew drone around just a little bit, just enough to know that I flew it around and I've got that footage. And I need to make my own bed here, so I'll probably do that later. I can't be bothered right now. What a day. It's been a nice day. I'm in a nice place. It's been a nice day. I'm a bit tired. Oh, my YouTube video just got out. Yeah, I scheduled it. It's live now. That's nice. I'll see you tomorrow, my friends. We'll pick things up from there. Heading to Bosch.